So today I'm going to be reviewing this freeze off skin tag remover, result in as few as one treatment, easy grip handle with precision tip, FDA cleared treatment, and we're going to see how well this works. Okay, it has these things, which is very nice because when I try to burn off my skin tag in the past with another product, I accidentally got my skin. So it comes with these things that you can put around your skin tag, so it's protected. So I'm gonna apply one and then I'm gonna get everything started. It comes with tweezers, it comes with the little applicator things, and it comes with the bottle itself to freeze it off. And this is where you'll put the tip. So let's get everything started. So as you can see, it did work. It freezed it off. It's a little sting, it's not gonna lie. If you're very sensitive, very sensitive to pain, be careful. But it was like a slight sting, and then you have to leave it on for 40 seconds, and it was really easy to put on. And I did it by myself on my armpit, which is pretty hard to do by yourself. If it was on the neck or anything else, it'll be easier. But you can do it with by yourself in any place you choose to. So this is honestly a really great product, and I really like that it had that thing because, like, as I think when you zoomed in and you saw, I burned my skin in the past with trying to take it off. So I definitely do recommend this.